So what I'm doing, I like to call a natural contour as opposed to doing like a really, really dramatic, contour. So it's gonna help really show off, the cheekbones and slim the nose and all that, but it's gonna look really natural as opposed to looking crazy. We want natural. So I'm using from the CD Beauty, a darker color. We're putting it right here, 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 and then also with the same, a powder, the same color, and just going here and then blending it upwards. And then I'm gonna put a foundation on top of all this. But it's gonna be a very sheer foundation, so it'll look really, really soft and natural. So this is a great party look, to go out. I wouldn't necessarily do this every day, but we're using the CD Beauty. Coming soon. And so underneath I have the organic primer from CD Beauty, and then we're also going to be putting on some eyeshadow as well. And of course, the eyebrows. Can't forget that.